This is a 2018 Nissan Frontier SV trim model 4x4. It has a 4.0 liter engine V6 with 261 horsepower, 5-speed automatic transmission, and 16-inch alloy wheels along with hill start assist and hill descent control. You also have 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, and vehicle dynamic control. You also have a 5-inch color display audio, 6-speaker AM/FM CD audio system along with Bluetooth, and Siri Eyes Free along with Sirius XM satellite radio as well, along with many other features. As you can see, you have power windows and power door locks. The ability to sit 3 people comfortably in the back seat, along with 60/40 split rear seats for cargo. You also have power mirrors controlled there on the left, hill descent control, as well as cargo lamps. Many functionalities available on the steering wheel, including Bluetooth and mode selection. 5-inch color display, along with the ability to go to 4 high or 4 low from 2-wheel drive, along with traction control or vehicle dynamic control. Cup holders, plenty of cargo space. Alloy wheels, and the bed.